Welcome to Bookers and Bolton Guide to Perfect Update, our conveyancing app and portal. When you are happy with your Bookers and Bolton estimate, you can click in the email on the button that says, "Please click here to instruct." That will automatically alert our property team, who will call you back to start the instruction. One of the first emails you will be sent will be to set up your username and password for Perfect Update. You can do this online or via the Perfect Update app. Click on the link in the email and you will be asked to set a password. Your username is your email address, and this is outlined within the email sent to you. If you have downloaded the Perfect Update app, you can set up fingerprint recognition if your phone allows this, giving you easy and instant access to your matter at any time. The first time you log in, just enter your email address and password in order to gain access to your matter. Once in the app, the first page will be your case list. This is where you will see all of the matters you currently have open or previous matters that have been cancelled or completed. Once we click into each matter, you'll see there's a slight difference in the graphic between sale and purchase, and the key stages or task list will depend on the type of matter you have instructed us on. At the top of each screen, you will see a brief outline of the case details and where your matter is, with the latest update clearly shown at the top of the page. For purchase matters, the nearer you get to completion, the nearer the truck gets to your new home. For sales, the further around the colour wheel it goes, the nearer you are to completing. We have added in as many steps as possible so that you know where you are and what is next, all the way to completion. At the bottom of the page, you will see 4 purple buttons which give you different screen options. The binoculars is the first page we've already looked at. The next icon, the page with the magnifying glass, will give you all of the general details relating to your matter. The pound sign will give you your full estimate breakdown. The hands are where you can refer a friend to us. Please make sure you have their permission before doing so. The great thing about Perfect Portal is that you don't need to log on to know when something has happened. You will automatically receive an email telling you which key stage has been completed. Where appropriate, the other side and the estate agent will also receive a copy of this confirmation. If you want to log in to check Perfect Update yourself, you can just click on the button within the email and it will take you straight to the login screen. Whilst we acknowledge that this technology is an amazing way of keeping you updated, we don't want to discourage you from talking to a real person, and so our team are available to you when you need them. Thank you for choosing Bookers and Bolton.